Assalamu alaikum. You have one sheet where you have a lot of employer name with their employer ID 1 2 3 4 lot of, and in another sheet or in another source you have the employer database. That means the employer name, company name, and the commission rate and the units sold. So one more important thing, if you notice here, that here you have only the employer ID and full name, and in the second sheet or second database you have only the full name, but here is no employer ID. But if I change the employer ID here 1 2 3 4, you will get the company name. I mean, you have to find out by using the employer ID here. You have to find out the company, their commission rate, and the units sold. And in this video I will show you the step-by-step process how I have solved this problem. Hey everyone, this is Amin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel I will show you this problem what I have explained at the beginning of the video. And after watching this video, if you think this video is something helpful to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to your social media so other people can also learn from this video. And after watching this video, if you need any kind of help, please comment on the video, or if you need my service at a cheap rate, please contact me. All my contact details you will find on the video description below, also on my YouTube channel cover page. Let's go back to the tutorial again. First of all, I want to remove all of the data here. So you will know it here. Here you can write the serial number or ID as usual. I have just write it here. And from here I have write the company, commission, net units sold here in a column. Okay. Now I want to insert the employer ID here, and when I write the employer ID, the company name, commission rate will be automatically appeared. So first of all, I just choose this cell as I want to insert the employer ID here. Go to the data tab, and from the data validation, click on data validation, and from a setting, okay, choose a list, and then just choose the list, and from the source section just go to the source and choose this is my employer ID here. After that, click on here OK, and if you click on the drop down arrow here, you see all of the employer ID here. Okay, so here you see that one, I just choose one. You can also manually import it, 2 3 something like that. So our first thing, inserting the employer ID, is now okay here. Now we need to insert all of the company name, commission rate, and units sold, all data here. First of all, I want to get the employer company, I mean the company name here. To get the company name here, you see that we have only the employer ID, but in that database we don't have the employer ID. Now we have to use some technical knowledge to get the employer ID. Before applying the formula, I want to rename this data sheet, I mean this source, as I want to choose this data sheet. So just select this range here, and from here write the name. I want to make it, for example, data here, data underscore 1. I give just data 1. This is data 1 table, and I want to rename this one as data 3. It is as you want, make it data 3. So these two I have renamed perfectly. Now I want to apply my formula here, equal Vlookup, Vlookup. Then my lookup below will be this cell, and I want to make it fixed. Then our low table array, I mean source of data from where we want to apply the lookup below. So table array, as we have only the ID here, so our table array will be this one, as we have renamed this data source as data 1, if you write the data, you will see it will appear here data 1. So you see that it is automatically selected here. So we have successfully selected the table array. Now column index number. So here, as we want to, as I have just get the employer ID full name here, the column employee number will be 2 here, but we can get this using the column formula as usual. Okay, I just write it 2 here. Then for exact match, press 0 and close the bracket here. Okay, so here you see that when I write the Vlookup formula, we found the name of that person here, Alan Robertson. So if you just go to the Alan Robertson here, I want to insert the 1 here. When I write the insert here, you see that we found Dabha Sharma. This is Dabha Sharma. And if I insert the 3 here, okay, we found the Alex Landmore. That means when I insert the employer ID, we found the full name here, but we need to get the company name, other details. Okay, so this is our first technique we have already applied in this video. Now we will go to the second step. As we have successfully get the full name parts here, but if you notice here that there is a matching in the full name in the data show, so we have get our second signal. We have get a signal to apply the formula in the second database. For that, again I have write my another formula. Again I just write Vlookup. Okay, Vlookup, as we found the name for the employer ID. So this will be our, okay, so the name will be our lookup value in this case. Okay, so for the second Vlookup formula, the first Vlookup formula will be the lookup value, because for the first lookup value we get the name, and in this case the name will be our lookup value. Understand, it is just a make of some intelligence. Okay, so we get the lookup value for the second Vlookup formula here. Okay, after that insert a comma, then we need to apply the table array, and in this case the table will be, or this will be our table array, and we have already given a name of the table, data 3. Okay, when I select the data underscore 3, you see here this is selected automatically. Now in this case we need to insert our column index number. As I want to get the company name, commission rate, so the company here, you see that for that our column index number will be 2, and after that, as we want to get the exact match, we just write the false here. Okay, just write false here, then close the parenthesis here and press enter. You see here, because of 3 we found Alex and More, and Alex and More is in the company, you see that, Walton, and we found our first company is Walton here. You see, it is just, we change, if I change the company to 1, okay, 1, then you see that it is Samsung, and if we again change it to 2, you see that it is Nokia. So we have get the company name successfully by changing the employer ID here. After that, just on that right bottom corner of the cell, you just, okay, just make it free-handed, and we just make it free-handed. You see that in commission rate, units tool, all are in the same name, because we need to change our column index number, because for that company the column index number was 2, but for commission rate column index number will be 3, and this will be applied in the Vlookup 2 formula. Okay, so it will 2, and it is now, okay, 3, and it is now 4. It is now 4. You see here, now as it is showing here the 0.15, I just make it as a percentage here. Okay, 15%. Now this is the best thing. If we just change it again 1, when I insert 1, you see that the company is Samsung, it is giving the 80% commission, and units sold is 500. Now again go to the change to change, you see that it is Nokia and it is giving the 15% commission and unit sold L222. So this is the system and technique I just wanted to explain in this video. If you think this video is something helpful to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please comment on the video how you like this system. Okay, please take care and see you in the next video. Bye.